own lead.
That ball hit hard by A.J. Stay fair. It will. You can. Put it on the board. Yes. A line shot home run off the fair pole. And the Sox lead it 2-1. Mercy.
Fourth home run, RBIs 12 and 13. And I'm not sure over the course of his career how many hot streaks he's had like this, but he's swinging the bat as well as you can possibly swing it. Ford home run replay. Again, Hunter gets his ball up. It's right down the middle. And fortunately, this ball hugged the line long enough to hit the